Guys, I wanted to hop on here and show y'all the project that I'm going to be working on for the next day. Hopefully I'll finish it this evening. I'm actually a little bit under the weather, so excuse my voice if I sound a little like drainy, clogged up or whatever. All the kids were sick this past 3-day weekend, so I just kind of inherited it, obviously. Okay, so let me turn the camera around and show y'all exactly what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so this part in my kitchen, I'm sorry for the shaky camera, but I just kind of want to show y'all exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I have this, it's like a, I don't know what kind of material, it's the same as the countertop, and I do not want to pay for an actual backsplash, so I'm going to be replicating a backsplash with tiles. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting out the tiles to fit, you know, all the backsplash back here, and then it's going to go along back here as well, along the countertop in the kitchen. And I'm not going to go all the way down, I'm just going to go to here. What you're going to be needing, and what I purchased, is what happened? Mama J's on your pillow. Hi. Hey. Good morning. This is my baby and she's sick. She's not feeling good. Okay, so what I purchased is a ton of these liquid nails, and this is what I use for all of my projects just because it's the material that I'm putting on the splash is not heavy at all, so that it works perfect. These are the adhesive backed vinyl tiles that I purchased. See that? A sharp knife to cut these out with. So if you want to see how I get this done, keep watching. Okay, so this is the first section that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that off. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I lined this piece up, and so I did that, so I put that up against there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is the next thing I did was measure a piece from up here where it'll hit evenly on this next one right here. I marked it, I'm not sure if you can see that, but I went ahead and marked it all across here. Probably should be doing this on the floor, but seeing how easy that was, it already broke. You just bend it back and forth, and it's a clean break. So now, okay, so I went ahead, and what I'm gonna do is cut this piece right here. And what I did, a chalk marker, and I just kind of put a little line right on the corner of it. And then I just pressed this up against it to give it like that. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can actually. So it has like an outline on where it's at. So I'm just gonna cut that piece, put a mark on there, and then you just bend it back and forth, and it gives you a very clean. What I'm gonna do is scrape on here just to give it, instead of it being so smooth, I want it to have like a little grit on there so the nail glue can adhere better. Okay, can you see me now? Just hold it for a few seconds and then it should automatically adhere like it did so there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the second piece, and then I'm probably just gonna fast forward because that's pretty much what I'm gonna do the rest of this. Okay, you guys, so I am almost done. This is I don't know what happened to my camera. I thought I was videoing this whole time, but I just got clips of it, so I'm gonna try and video me doing this whole back piece back here. But for now, look what it looks like. It looks really good. It's not perfect, like you can see some little gaps and how I didn't cut it right on the bottom right here. I was having a little issue on the bottoms along the edges just because it doesn't have like a flat edge, it's more curved. So I was having to pull them off and re-alter them. I did put these on here just to kind of keep it from sliding, because there's some of them that are sliding back here like this one, and I'm just having to push it up so it'll be even with the other one. So every now and then I have to just push it up, but I love it, you guys. Look how good that looks. And my husband just did like the access lighting under the cabinets, so I am loving it. I'm gonna show y'all before and after. Maybe not, because I forgot to take a before picture, but I think I can try and get something out for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and start doing this side along here. It was harder for the ones that had like the plugs and the switches and stuff, but other than that, not that big a deal. I had to go pick up my daughter, so that's why I'm kind of like popping back on here. And when I realized I wasn't filming. So let me go ahead and set the camera up and try and finish this last piece right. Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and show y'all the final results of my DIY brick backsplash. I think it came out super cute. It's not perfect, but I actually love the way it came out. And this back here is where my oven and microwave are. And then I have the sides, this little strip back here that I did. Came out really good. I think it came out very cute. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all the final product. All the materials, which was not much at all. I just needed like, I don't know, I think it was like 28 pieces of the floor paneling or whatnot. I'll link it down in the description box below. I ended up picking up, I think, like 29 pieces or 28 pieces. And then I got 2 of the nail glue, but total, I ended up probably spending a total of like 40 bucks or 50 bucks, which I think it came out really cute. It makes it look so much more homier. So my next project I'm gonna knock out are these cabinets. I did paint them white about 2 years ago, but I have something in mind that I want to do to them. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products that I used will be linked in the description box below. If not the same one, something very similar where you can pick it up from. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.